two cars A and B are moving in a straight line. The speed of car A is Va and the speed of car is Vb. Va and Vb are constant. At t equal to 0, the position of car A is XAO with reference point O. At time t equal to 0, position of car B is XBO with reference point O. After t time, car A will travel distance speed into time, that is Va into t, and after t time car B will travel distance speed into time, that is Vb into t. At t equal to 0, car A is at XAO and car B is at XBO with reference point O. After t time, car A will travel distance Va into t and car B will travel distance Vb into t. At time t, the distance of car A is XA with reference to O, and at time t, the distance of car B is XB with reference to reference point O. Now, after time t, what will be distance between car A and car B? And it will be XB minus XA. So, distance of car B with respect to A, sorry, position of car A position of car A at time t is XA is equal to, say, XA equal to XAO plus Va into t. See here, after t time, the distance of car A will be XAO plus Va into t, XAO plus Va into t, and position of car B will be XB is equal to XBO plus Vb into t. After t time, position of car A will be XA is equal to XAO plus Va into t, and position of car B will be XBO plus Vb into t. Now we want to find out the distance between car A and car B after time t, and it is XB minus XA, which is known as distance of car B with relative to or with respect to car A will be distance of car B with respect to car A will be XB minus XA. XB minus XA, that is XBO minus XAO. XBO minus XAO, VBT minus VAT plus VBT minus VAT. Therefore, XB minus XA is equal to XBO minus XAO. We will take common t. that is VB minus VA into T. What is VB minus VA? So velocity of or speed of car B with respect to car A is velocity of car B with respect to car A is VBA equal to VB minus VA. So here VB minus VA is speed of car B with respect to car A. Same way, speed of car A with respect to speed of car B is shown as speed of car A with respect to B is shown as VA minus VB. So it is known as relative velocity or relative speed. This equation shows the relative position of car A and B. Now we will draw the graph. Number 1, the graph of distance versus time. When VA equal to VB, the speed of car A and speed of car B is equal, then distance between them will never be changed. What does it mean? X versus time. This is the graph of car A. Its initial position is XAO, and this is the graph of car B. Its initial position is XBO. Now distance between these two cars never be changed when VA equal to VB. That means that their speed are same. What does it mean? The slope of this graph will be same. That means that this graph will be parallel to each other when VA equal to VB. What will happen when VA is greater than VB? So second graph, when VA is greater than VB, speed of car A is greater than speed of car B. This is the speed of car A. Speed of car A is greater than speed of car B, hence the slope of this graph is greater than the slope of the graph of the car B. When VA is greater than VB, car A and car B will meet, or we can say car A overtakes the car B at this time and this position. When VA is greater than VB, then car A will overtake car B at this time and at this position. Number 3. What will happen? VB is greater than VA. VB is greater than VA, that means that the slope of graph of car A is less than the slope of car B. speed of car B is more than the speed of car A. In this condition, distance between car A and car B will increase with time. Distance between two cars B and A will increase with time. Hence their graph will come like this. What will happen when car A and car B are moving in opposite direction? Fourth one. Car A and car B are moving in opposite direction. Then the graph of x versus time will be like this. Car B and car A will meet each other at this time and at this position. So this is the graph of car B and this is the graph of car A.